Today we are taking a look at this copper flashing. So it comes packed perfectly. I like the fact it comes in a nice sturdy box and it's covered with this bluish plastic material right over here to protect it. You'll see right over here as we pull this off, it is absolutely perfect just like that. So let's just pull this piece off like just like that. You'll see right over here, it is absolutely perfect. No bends, no scrapes, no anything like that. This is a 26 gauge. It is 2 inches by 10 feet long. So you'll see here it comes all coiled up like that. I let that coil out. That's what it would look like, just like that. This is going to be great for roofing, flash rolling, all that kind of stuff. Also great for DIY projects such as jewelry, craft stuff. Really easy to use, really easy to mold. Again, it comes packaged perfectly. Like that it comes wrapped up and nothing is bent. It's absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for some great copper flashing, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.